Fact checkers, get to work.
Republicans and
With television networks airing the first US presidential debate, some on social media took a swipe at Hillary Clinton's persistent smiling. But the internet was more concerned with why Donald Trump kept sniffing. Trump's sniff even got its own Twitter account, which tweeted every time the property tycoon was seen to sniff. There's even a compilation of the Republican candidates', yes, you guessed it, sniffles.
I have a feeling that by the end of this evening, I'm going to be blamed for everything that's ever happened.
Why not?
Why not? Yeah, why not? Just